just a short video on my Jawa 638. I had it running for a long time, so I just thought I'd give it a quick run. Not going to run today because I've had it running. I just put my auxiliary fuel tank on it and checked that there was a spark, and there was a spark, which I didn't expect. But I might have some playing up here. Last time I had to clean all the contacts on the coils, the low, what they call low something. So I had to clean all them last time and check the points was clean. But I just put some fuel in with my auxiliary tank, and I did squirt a tiny bit of Easy Start into the air filter, and she fired up straight away. Absolutely amazing. So while I was at it, I thought I'd have a look at the fuel in the tank, and it's absolutely black. So I've emptied that into a container, and while I was at it, I thought I would take off the fuel tap, because the reserve doesn't work on the fuel tap. And there's the fuel tap. So I took it off, just unscrewed it quite easily. The filter gauze had gone, and I couldn't unblock it at all. I need maybe one of them ultrasonic machines. Maybe the garage could help me out. Ultrasonic might clean it out. I took this off, took that off, soaked it in vinegar, soaked it in cleaner, jetted it with an airline, pressurised it as best I can, and it just wouldn't work. It just wouldn't clear the blockage. And there's a rubber sealing there, and I think I might have damaged that, so I might have to get a fuel tap now, but we'll see. But there she is, fired up straight away. Just give it an oily red clean, get the dust off it. And as you can see, oh yeah, another thing. What did I put in the carb before I started it? Straight fuel, no two-stroke. So I had to take the carburetor off anyway. And that's probably why it started straight away, because I cleaned the carb out. I just took all the jets out, emptied the fuel out that wasn't two-stroke, and I washed the outside with some cleaner. It says professional heavy duty degreaser. So I thought, great, I'll clean that. Clean my carburetor with that while it's off. And it took all the coating off, whatever the coats the carburetor, it took it clean off. So all I've done is, before I put it back on, is give it 2 coats of wheel trim silver. I know, not the right stuff, but it'll do for now. Wheel trim silver. It's gone back on. Like I say, she started up immediately. It's a fiddle getting the carburetor off, and that rubber at the back there, the back rubber, I didn't think that would ever go back on. But just immersed it in hot water and it went on straight away. So it has shrunk, you can see a gap there, just over 1/4 of an inch. And I guess it's just shrunk over the years, so I can't get a Jubilee clip on that, and it doesn't leak air, suck air in. But yeah, she started first time. Okie doke. Thank you for watching.